So by looking, or by going through the entropy balance analysis, we not only identify the mass quality of the outlet stream, we also identify the amount of entropy that was generated by the process as well. And so because the Sgen is greater than 0, that tells us that this process is irreversible. Let's now consider the reverse case, or the opposite case, in which we're taking some sort of saturated steam and we're splitting it up into superheated and saturated steam. Okay? And what we want to determine is if this process is physically possible, or if it's reversible, or if it's irreversible. And so to do this analysis, the material balance and the energy balances would basically be the same. So M3 would just still be equal to the sum of M1 and 2. So this is 3, this is still 1 and 2. The energy balance is the same. So we're still dealing with really the same equation we were dealing with before. Okay, so nothing about the material or the energy balances change. The only thing that changes is the entropy balance. And this one is actually flipped now. Right, so we find that our Sgen is now going to be equal to this. So all the signs have flipped. S2V And so because all the signs have flipped, what we find is that the Sgen of the backwards process is going to be the negative Sgen of the forward process. And so in the end, it's going to be negative 3864.4 kilojoules per Kelvin. Because it's less than 0, this tells us that this process is not physically possible. All right? And so while the mixing of two different steam streams into one stream is spontaneous, splitting the steams up is not spontaneous. Right? It's not physically possible. We need to put additional energy into the system in order to get that separation to occur.